Hey, what's up guys? Good day, Bahura Hunter here, and for today's video mag-unboxing nga pala tayo guys itong na-order natin na jigging reel pang jigging. Ito yung Shimano Torium HG 2000 HG yung pinangalan, HG. Ayan guys, kahapon dumating, ngayon lang natin bubuksan guys. So far yung pagkakabalot ayos naman, walang damage. Tapos may nakalagay dito guys. Yan, basahin ko. If the product is opened from this side, we cannot guarantee the product. Yun. We manage the product by taking photos and measuring any criminal acts will be prosecuted. Galing nga pala ito guys sa Japan. Japan yung seller. Yan. Japan. Open natin guys. Dito natin open sa may warning. Tingnan natin kung yes. Open. This is it. Wala na. Karton. Ito na yun guys. Kaya nga pala guys, nag-order tayo nito kasi napaisip tayo na mag-jigging, testing, try. Ito nga pala guys ay overhead fishing reel Shimano 2000 HG. Guys, one, two. Uy, yun, more legit guys. Open natin guys. Okay, guys, yung kanyang case Shimano Torium 2000 HG. Ito nga pala guys ay righty na reel. Tapos yun, palam kung ano to, baka to serial. Tignan natin yung laman sa loob. Okay, una is itong manual guys. Ayan. Okay, may freebies guys, gunting. Ayan. Freebies, gunting. So lang guys, yun lang. Yun. Wow. Ito yung tools. Tapos wala na guys, yun lang. Sabi na natin. Ito guys yun, Shimano. Wow. Righty. Ito pala guys yung pabuhan. Ito nga pala guys gagamitin natin testing sa jigging. Wala siyang kasamang mainline. Lalagyan pa natin. Makinis, walang damage. Wala ka nakikita ng damage guys. Okay, let's go. Legit guys yung seller. Shimano Torium 2000 HG overhead reel. Ganda. Okay guys, legit yung seller. Napakaganda ng product, safe. Kung mag-order kayo guys, nasa comment section yung link. Legit guys. Let's go.